Toyota Camry 2018, the crankshaft sensor location. Just remove the intake manifold. That's the intake, and remove the crankshaft location is under the intake manifold. So this is the crankshaft location. This sensor here. This wire and the sensor. This sensor under the hose. This is the crankshaft sensor. So under the intake manifold, this is the starter motor, and this is the location of the crankshaft. You see that the sensor. This is just remove the intake manifold. I remove this intake. That's a Toyota Camry sa GDI engine. This sensor, this is